When you're working with dough, improving sustainability is a challenge. For one, stamping and cutting creates a lot of scrap dough, and accidental stoppage of the processing line creates even more. You can reintegrate scrap dough into fresh dough, but that's tricky. If it's not processed quickly, it will overproof. That's why Spiromatic created a better solution. First, scrap dough is mixed with water to form liquid rework. It's cooled to pause fermentation and stored in a holding tank for up to 3 days. Whenever a new dough is mixed, the SPM control system automatically adds the liquid rework and accurately adjusts the recipe to maintain consistency, so you get the same high-quality products without wasting dough. And this is just one example. At Spiromatic, we develop custom solutions to streamline your bakery. Curious how we can help you? Get in touch.